it up on nothing. Turn the on switch. Dun, dun, dun. Just like Wall-E. Now, I tested this last night, but I cloned the new hard drive. This is the original hard drive here. I cloned that onto the new 500 gigabyte high speed hard drive in the hopes that it would work. And that's what we're finding out on the Apple show. That we're halfway there. And like I say, last night with I started it up from this hard drive I just put in, and it worked. But this is all on its own. And we wait. Of course, I have a lot of stuff in there that has to load up. So we wait. That's a good sign. It's doing something. So we'll watch. Doing something. Here we go. Aha! Looky there. I can come into my own computer now. That's me. I'll be changing that tomorrow. Okay. All loaded up and ready for bear. It needs to load up a couple more things. And everybody's down here. So let's check the mail. And there's the mail. And here comes more mail. Alrighty, it's working. Hooray!